secure the cabin for landing. Bring your seatbelt to an upright position. Close along your service tray. Have any remaining beverage containers ready for collection. If you are seated next to a window, please raise your window shade for landing. Mahalo. Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. As we prepare for our arrival tonight into Kahului, Maui, we'd like to share with you some of the special offers that we have with the Hawaiian Miles Elite MasterCard. For the first time ever in-flight offer for the Hawaiian Miles Elite World MasterCard, you can now earn 60,000 bonus Hawaiian Miles after your first purchase within the 90 days of the account opening, plus no annual fee for the first year when you're a card member, with an annual fee of $99 each year thereafter. Apply today, and if approved, you'll be on your way to earning miles for a memorable vacation on Hawaiian Airlines. 60,000 Hawaiian miles can be redeemed toward one round-trip flight between Hawaii and the West Coast, including non-stop service between Honolulu and Los Angeles, San Francisco, Las Vegas, Ontario, and more. Or one round-trip flight between Hawaii and the East Coast, including our non-stop service between Honolulu and Boston, New York, Orlando, Florida. Or for our neighbor island travelers, up to 4 round trip to our neighbor island destinations, including Kauai, Oahu, Maui, and Hawaii, and the Big Island. We'll have these applications available as we deplane today. Please help yourself to an application or take one for someone that you think will be interested with this special offer. Once again, thank you so much for choosing to fly with us this evening. Aloha. Aloha ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kahului, Maui. We will be taxiing for the next few moments. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, please check out your seat area for any articles that you may have on board with you. When opening those overhead compartments, please use caution as items may have shifted during the flight and they may fall out. We'll be exiting to the forward left-hand door. Please watch your step. There is a slight floor level change. Please refrain from smoking until you're well within the designated smoking area. For those passengers who have gate checked any items such as car seats or strollers, please allow ground staff 5 to 10 minutes to make these items available to you. They will be brought to the top jet bridge just right outside the door where you'll be exiting. For those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, we do ask that you please remain seated until the main flow passenger has disembarked. That way the porters can better assist you. Your check-in luggage will be available for you shortly at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim carousel, and cell phone may be used at this time as long as can be accessed without releasing your seatbelt. On behalf of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, especially our flight crew this evening, we want to thank you for choosing to fly with us until we have the pleasure to see you again on a future Hawaiian Airlines flight. We'd like to extend to you our warmest aloha and mahalo. Have a wonderful evening. Aloha.